Whoa, look at this awesome box. Aaron Kyro, Gabe, Sam Tabor, John Hill, Lance.
Tony Hawk.
And Tony Hawk is a baby. What's inside here? Whoa, look at this. That's awesome. What is it? It's a note. Maybe that's what'll explain it. Hey guys, my name is Hunter Guttenson. I am a 20-year-old graphic designer major at Troy University. Whoa! First Troy!
I love this guy.
And my dream is to eventually earn the silver play button for 100,000 subscribers. My YouTube channel is area_GTV. Go subscribe to his channel. Let's hit this 100,000. Literally, we can get this guy a silver play button. If every single person watching this video goes and subscribe to his channel, we can hit that target and he can get a silver play button. Sorry. We do reviews on products, video games, and TV shows. I'm a big fan of Braille, and believe it or not, Lance is my favorite skateboarder. It says that.
Never, it doesn't say that.
Watching his progression of learning his tricks inspired me to pick up skateboarding again. I now know how to ollie, pop shove it, kick flip, and primo varial flip. Please enjoy the handmade skateboard I sent you. I would use riser pads. I actually will be selling these in the future. Please help me achieve my dream of 100,000 subs. You guys are the best. We're going to put his link in the description below, so you need to actually go to his channel and subscribe, because we're gonna hit that goal. Keep doing what you're doing. P.S. shout out to my brother, Gut Vlogs. That's G-U-T-T Vlogs. P.P.S. I have included a ball with this in this package. Please throw this at Lance as hard as possible.
Plot twist.
Oh, it comes with a box opener. Shouldn't have thrown that so hard, Luke. Alright, so I'm gonna set this up. I'll see if I have any riser pads. Jesus. What did you do to my screw? Okay, so we set this up, and I just want it to be known that I did riser pads. Something seems a little weird about the way I did it, but I did them. What I want to do in this video is a little collab, skate roulette on this board. So we got like a little, you make it, we skate it, X skate roulette. So let's go play. Okay, Rochambeau.
Bam! You burned your arm on the rock?
Yes, I'm last.
Oh, first. That noise though.
Laser flip, okay.
You get one try.
Okay, so I've never done this trick ever, and never skated this board, and it's like a penny board, so the odds are with me.
That was a decent attempt.
Stereo heel flip.
Well,
What do we got? Revert!
What?
yeah, combo. You could add a trick.
Let's do an obstacle. Large set.
Oh, that's a 180?
A 180 pretty much.
Oh, it doesn't say what kind of 180. I could half cab 180.
Yeah, you get a stance. You could do any way you want. Switch.
Let's go double down. Push regular.
Oh yeah! Get another one!
No, I'm just gonna go with that.
Get another one!
Oh, on this board? I forgot we were playing with this board. Oh my god, dude. I'm not doing it on this board.
He's not gonna do it.
Betty was getting cocky when you went here. He's like, I have the most wins in this game. Not for long.
Big spin. Regular.
Obstacle. Come on, Fetty, obstacle.
I got one more.
Yeah.
First blood.
Dang.
Trick. Smith grind. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, with that board, right. Take a card from a player.
So if you land that Smith, you take a card from Fetty.
Hard.
Dude.
Weird.
Oh.
You don't have laces.
Cheater. Oh. I mean, hey, he hacked the system. What can we do? He cheated the system, fair and square.
Yeah.
Is it Fetty gonna get another W?
No, Fetty.
Ooh. Let me see.
180.
Oh, you can get switch.
Yeah, definitely
That's a combo. Yeah, look at that.
That's true.
Push Mongo!
You can get another one though.
This guy. Switch.
There you go. Push
Push
Mongo.
Mongo. That's even easier.
Switch from
That's a
180.
regular push.
All right.
You got 4 tries.
Do it this way.
Here we go.
Go faster. I don't know. Just do your thing. That was switch from side 180.
4 cards.
That was their 5th try, dog.
Yeah, it was.
That was manual. The rail?
Nose grind.
Pick a combo. Come on, pick a combo.
Go weird, Fetty. I'm trying to help you.
While drinking water.
That's hard.
Heck yeah.
Everything looked easy until he started drinking the water.
Kickflip. Just take it.
Switch.
Nah,
You can
do
get
a
switch your
stance.
nollie. Push regular. Fake.
Dude, go obstacle.
Don't go obstacle.
Go
Just take the
Weird. 3 times in a row.
2 additional tries though, so you got 5 tries to do this.
So he has to fakey kickflip 3 times in a row, 5 tries to do so. Oh! 2 more tries. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, 1.
Oh, does that count?
Rebate. You're at 1 so far. Okay, 1 more.
Oh. 50-50.
Combo that. You get hard flip 50-50.
Weird.
No shoes. On the
You
mini
can do
ramp.
that. Look at those socks. They're brand new. That's cheating. Yeah. Luke is coming up. He's a young blood.
Heel flip.
Regular. Damn. So I got 2 tries. It just goes that way.
I think the only person that can do that would be Fabi.
Shove it.
Oh, yes.
Fakey.
Oh, my God. I can
Go
do
big.
that one.
Give this card to another player. Dibs.
What does that mean?
Landing trick is not required.
Gaffle. Ooh, gang. Do
So I
like-
just give it to someone?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Blindfolded.
I thought we
got
had
the
something
blindfolds.
going.
Win a card from another player.
What?
Take it back from Troy.
Whoa. Are you filming?
Yeah. What? First tee?
Did I do it?
Yeah.
All right, Troy, I'll take that card back.
Ooh. Such an emotional roller coaster.
Crooked grind.
Dude, that's
With
easy.
that board though.
Just do it, bro.
There you go. A ledge.
Ledge, dude.
Lame pretzel.
Oh, no.
Dude, where is even the pretzel?
I'm not gonna take a picture of this.
Five-o.
5 out of mini. 5 out of mini. Push Mongo. What? What is it? You gotta say what it is.
Regular 5-0.
Where are you gonna go on for that one? Not the big rail? That's weird. He's going to the mini? That's weird.
Yeah, he never skates the mini ramp.
Dude, really? Did you shuffle?
But yeah, how'd that get
Regular.
Backside heel flip!
Shove it.
Dude, Fetty.
It's rigged.
Backside. Fakey. Fakey big spin.
No pressure.
Your boy Clutch Pata can't get hotter.
Carlos?
Double. First try.
No, you don't get 2 tries.
No, you get 1 try.
You want to see a double flip? Here's one right now. Mind over matter. I guess it just didn't matter though.
Tail slide. Nollie.
Got that.
180.
You can get a combo.
Stance, all right. Nollie, please land it.
Yeah!
Happiest day of my life.
Is there a card that says take Fetty's cards? There should be a
Manual.
card.
One try.
Flat ground manual.
Damn. Fetty's on fire. That was tight. All right, Fetty Potter won. Because we want to give the beginners some chance, we're going to play second place to 5 cards.
Board slide. Switch. One try. Small set. How does that happen?
The hubba.
Hubba.
Board slide the hubba.
I just gotta do that and then just pop out.
Oh, you got that. Okay, so 3 more cards. This is second place.
Kick flip. Nollie.
Tray flip. No, yeah, just one. I need to harness my inner Fetty.
Who will get second place?
Ollie. Ollie, dog.
Just take it. You gotta go basic.
No, good
Dude, you gotta
stance.
get switch. Ollie, there you go.
No.
While catching an object, do I have to do that?
Go the
You
whole-
have to
Of
do.
course.
Stop!
Did you even know to play?
Just
Fetty's your coach.
You're catching this. Daniel, you're on the board now. You're the closest to second place.
I don't like second.
no slide
Obstacle. You might get barrel drop.
on the mini ramp. Fetty told me.
I mean, whatever you want to
Coach
do.
everybody.
But that's a no stall, not a no slide.
You'll have
Slide
to
a
slide
little.
it.
I'll just try it here.
Just one card? Okay.
Luke's enthusiastic about this trick.
All right, Troy, I'm gonna coach you here. I got nothing for you.
Can I repick?
Go for weird.
Varial kickflip.
I need to skate. Cookie grind, we meet again, okay.
Fetty, life coaching, please.
Slap his hand when
I
he
need
does.
2.
Yeah, just go for weird. There
But if
is
I pick obstacle, it can't really go bad.
There's
I don't
one
yeah,
that's
you
your
can.
own
You
board.
could go rail, hubba. This could be like
Your own board.
your own board.
Land one-footed.
Better.
Got that.
All right, I got it.
Did you land one-footed or just not land at all?
What if you land no-footed? You know?
Come on, Dad. Help him out.
Coach, what should I do?
Pick trick no matter what.
Oh, coach.
That's your trick though.
Heel flip.
Stance, regular. Front side.
Oh.
Oh, you can do it.
5-0. Let's go weird. Using 2 boards.
Do a 5-0 on your board and then jump off and land right here.
What did he say?
Nothing.
He didn't say anything, Lance.
He's the god of skate roulette.
So do a 5-0. Jump off your board. Damn.
How are you gonna get in front of you when the board's
Just do it.
In life, many people will tell you what they think you should do.
The Godfather. Just take it from the Godfather. If you don't land it, you're gonna look really bad. Basically, you got the idea.
Oh, I'll just land on it.
There you go.
Easy. Easy money.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
Automatic W. Automatic. That was the coolest thing I've seen all day.
Not even coach would have recommended that. No, you still didn't win yet.
Now I have 4.
That's 4. Pretty sure it's Daniel's turn. Everyone thinks this is like, I'm not gonna land it. I landed one this morning, I swear.
Smith grind.
hands. Oh my gosh.
You got
This
Mini
is
ramp.
That's even more
That's
dead.
a little worse.
Even more
Smith
dead.
grind like the small thing with your hands in your pockets. Wait, I get 2 tries?
Snap into it.
No slide. I think I'll do that.
Smack.
Revert.
Yeah!
Look, wait, how many cards you need?
I have 2 right now.
Another trick.
you got a revert.
You get 5-0.
Can I just revert?
Yeah. Push
Push
regular.
regular,
Oh,
revert.
one more. You'll win.
Thanks, coach. Front side revert.
Yes.
Is that just a front 180?
Yeah.
I have to push regular though.
Game. Luke got second place. Should we do one more? See who wins between Luke and.
We'll just Rochambeau for who.
Okay, there you go.
For last place.
Here we go. We're gonna call this the hardest game of all time. The hardest skate game of all time, because that was really difficult. Hey, Betty won. I think he has about 7 W's in his belt from this game. So huge thanks to Wes Bunting for making us these skate roulette cards. I believe you can check these out at skateroulette.com, so you should go there and check it out. You can get this game for free, and it is really fun to play. And also thanks to the person who sent us So You Make It We Skate It. Really appreciated. If you have something you want to send us, send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will definitely see you next time. Peace, guys.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.